Mima Obibi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. MPP say one of one flag bearer, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, and Simbibre and a Koso, Ewo Abaye declare no. Now, no, lawyer Boris Ampaw, Ariate, Amawadi, and Simon Pujama, the Abasobo, Amaya Kennedy Agyapong. Now, answer that assembly in Ababado, Mr. So we now subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Over subscribe. You'll be honest, over click a subscribe button, no. Now, what barely a notification, where the video for fruit beer, about Piano. Also, once a back B. I feel we are now like video on my thumbs up. Now, fee, what share my offer for so a be a share. Afriyie go as 7. MPP a weekend no and I want to one flag bearer when the elections as share so Kennedy Agyapong Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia a mo any Dr. Akoto Afriyie when the Koto aba na results in abeto dwaro Bawumia na huri edikan sisi ono and abeye one flag bearer ono any Mahama and I want to be see ni 2024 general election. Then no lawyer Morris Ampaw aba ponti Boakye Abra Kennedy share the company as here opese wo tu franka ma party no na oba pro na wodi ensem tudwa wo to be money Bawumia Boakye lawyer Morris Ampaw eba bontin ene obetutu be money Kennedy Agyapong a watch the Kennedy kwa wonye presidential material otutu nsem bebre ensem dodo na ra no kagu Kennedy Agyapong so born a chi watch the the temperament ni ade no new be no bitimi obe president. Na even vice mona was sapata ema no kra Kennedy babontim no kra bufu be keka nsem bebre actually was ade ensem bebre na ra ene betu gafa Kennedy Agyapong which say ono office so wusika ma to hell with your money and lawyer mo Ampaw to be money Kennedy pa na se die obo Kennedy abaso say waya de papa na Kennedy watch say Kennedy get the campaign no or ye no say NDC ni say won ka party no ho ohwenne ma ekoso e waban we mu enkoyie na ni no keka bi ene de ye grassroots for ni na wo de ni na betu dwa na no abo ma ye party no issue lessons bebre na ye sebra we de mu ye tie lawyer Morris Ampaw ni sema wo do tu dwa bra na wo bo Kennedy abaso wo de waya o say Kennedy ayadi ye papa wo mu say o tutu bi mane no de na so wo hwa Kennedy Agyapong waya de pa na yintie lawyer ni sema wo de tu dwa abra wo react to abato e course so Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia na ye ni say frankatuni a no ne Mahama na edibesi ni 2024 general election. Yeti lawyer name sama wodi atuga yeti nsam bi.
Now with Kennedy some of us took Kennedy on, but we know the reason why we took Kennedy on, because Kennedy in this election play very very important and vital role and let me last Ampaw me analyzing Kennedy role play Kennedy came into this contest although with the intention to win, but play a very important role, and that role I say Kennedy Agyapong about so papa and everybody be also support to Kennedy Agyapong campaign young man about so because omabua ama MPP who the bobre. Now look at Kennedy campaign. Kennedy behavior say outside the party. Kennedy put on the posture of NDC. The way NDC be behaving. Kennedy went to the grassroots and Ogo Nokoti a grassroots omo grievances and their pain and their disappointment and then the frustration against the party and the ruling government. Nyama nanado abaye ya party members be abamu nyama party ni ya those people who are grieved, people who are not happy with the system, people who were protesting on a quiet note, Kennedy went there and then brought them on board. And the Kennedy campaign was to touch the grassroots base, make sure so to tell them, give them hope. Say, it also the Kenya Suko Abaye, because that there were a lot of people who were quiet and were not happy. But Kennedy went and touched that base, and making sure say played those people against the party and the government. It was Kennedy campaign was against the government of the day, another government, the things that often say is not going on right within the government, and also he was also attacking the party for some of the things that they have done, abandoning the grassroots and the foot soldiers, and then Ken was strongly doing that campaign, and in that one, it makes the party, have to respond, and that is exactly what Bawumia team, and the Bawumia campaign, responded. And first, Kennedy played the role of NDC. Osheda started say, my party the pressure, party never lose, party they cannot do this. So NDC can, and so Kennedy stood there as NDC and put pressure on the system, pressure on the party, pressure on the government. It worked because NMI also because he was attacking the party. We also have to do everything to attack him and the team. And today rehearsals. So analysis, that's what happened. Bawumia stood for the government and then the party. So he was focused and trying to win the base and trying to put the party in a green light. Like my party there, whilst Kennedy Agyapong campaign was to go to the grassroots and look for those who are not happy with the party and the government. And if also behave like he's an NDC attacking his own party, and that's why some of us also decided to attack him. Because when you attack MPP party, some of us will attack you. But all in all, at the end of the day, the Bible says, I didn't Emma Omodorade. So whether good or bad, don't know. Niano. One, a warmer party ne hunisinto, government ne hunisinto, party ne to me resist Kennedy moves, and a party ne didn't him. So Kennedy should be commended. Kennedy has done a lot in terms of resources, in terms of bringing the party to a level they have to strategic party, and the government, and then they responded well. And that is why you could see, say, he garnered almost about 30%. And these 30% are the people who are happy with the ruling government and the party base. And the Kennedy stood there for those who are not happy and those who think that, look, the party needs to sit down and work. And at the end of the day, Kennedy has done a lot for the party, and I don't expect anybody to look at Kennedy as an enemy. He has played the role and in ensuring effective and efficient campaigner. And NPP and the party and Bawumia one stretch it. I'm fighting a good fight. It's a rehearsal. And it's a lawyers chambers. They say lawyer chamber say udi wasem ma lawyer chamber. Every good chamber no ba say udi wasem ma asema de abreye no. Yen chambers ye lawyers 5 and lawyers 6 wasem ba kuna ye lawyers no mu 2 3 wa ha na 3 wa ha na yenga start yeah chambers lawyers now the same lawyers no yeah pro and then against it 3 lawyers be say omo fight omo lawyers no na 3 lawyers no so opponent lawyers da ye ni boko shia it for example who do asema breme me lawyers ye 6 were chambers ye nim say wo be fam no wo ne oni ko no so e ko fa lawyer it ni akọ lawyer no ye 3 lawyers no be ye say ye di wasama mo na 3 lawyers no so omo wo ye chambers no so aye say omo so omo ketia wo omo behave as if omo ye lawyers ya ni omo kokun court no it won say in the chambers no lawyers no ya che ye mu 3 ko ama case no 3 so ku tia case no eye rehearsals it 3 no the omo ye say omo kanyama eye and favor your clients no omo punching the loopholes omo trying your weaknesses in the case celebrate your chambers no so you be responding na ewie na efe de ye ye bobre sa na se na football so tie football training se players in dia akọ bobola so mo 22 a omo prepare omo ye training no na ya team into 2 the regular team no team na ebebo match no omo de the same team a enye regular no bo the regular for no stretching the main team no ebobo no iye and they say boxing so boxer no gym boxing gym na we say that afa obi no need the obekono boxer no akun. And that's exactly what Kennedy Agyapong did. He stood there and fought the party, fought the leadership, fought the government of the day, and has brought the best out of the party. So kudos to Kennedy Agyapong. Some of us also behave that way. Once you are fighting the party, we also fought you. Into what here? Me handle Mama Kennedy. I want to know. I went all out, and I thank God. Say Kennedy, being a responsible person, knew what I was doing, but Kennedy didn't know what is happening. In all, no, Bawumia and Kennedy camp and everybody be play a role in ensuring say the elections see Abelemkpe. Kudos to everybody. But what I'm so excited about is that Bawumia's speech clearly shows say he understands the tax ahead. Or say, listen to me, the battle have started. He is not going to underrate the NDC. At the same time, no, he's calling for unity. And the first one himself, the tax and yet tax ketwa. So we must unite and go all out there. The same way, no, Kennedy Agyapong so accepted situation say, look, he has done his best for the party and he meant no harm. He is ready to put in resources and in expertise. And I can tell you, whatever can do in campaign, is part of the game. It's part of the game. Only will be too young. Kennedy doesn't mean whatever he said. NDC folks say they are going to take Kennedy Agyapong statements as serious. A game, no, and but Kennedy Agyapong will respond.
Yo, for winning and some a lawyer or Ampaw or the Etuja about analyzing a year the MPP 4 year, the Akoto a battle Akoto a year, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia Sisi Oduna A2 Fraka ama a year party. Now, Brother Jumadino Akoto MPP 4 share was stadium a year sports stadium. One ever declare a year Dr. Muhammad Bawumia say Oduna Sisi Oduna A2 Fraka ama party. Now, we hear them 34 1 year. Kennedy Agyapong buhuno ne Bawumia etiwona chese woni agye a wanesre na me di video no betudwa sisia mama hwe de ekoso ewo hodum na wontimi hu enkomo na ekoso ho se ye Bawumia ka kire Kennedy se we ka so baba mi showdown and me na mama o showdown na hwe di wa wanesre da chese fekeke na ye hwe bude wo mi hwe eye video no ye hwe eye video a eye Kennedy Agyapong na wo screen so no ye hwe de ekoso obi nim koba na mudi ba me de me hu ni se na o ka chen se hwe o ka chen so ba showdown and then me mama showdown na o hwe de we wa na sire da che fekeke wode ni agiye papa nkomo ekoso ho de ultimi kire ba me de me hu ni se na o ka so ba showdown and then me na mama showdown o so de wadwe kire wo no obetimi atro e wo comment box mu hwe de Kennedy Agyapong ni Bawumia ye na woni ni age no de obetimi akire wadwen ewo saade we hu ewo comment box mu na me wi me de eye Kennedy Agyapong ni nsema wode atudwa ewo hodum no me de nyina ebremu mu ti nsema ye Kennedy Agyapong ade tudwa abra okupio hodum na woda party fo ase na de ekoso wode tum se election no eye free and fair na me de buma yiti eye Kennedy Agyapong ni nsema wode atudwa hinti ni nsema no
people say yeah, and people, yeah, and people say Mr. President, the First Lady, the Vice President, the Second Lady, Chief of Staff, National Chairman, Council of Elders Chairman, Election Committees Chairman, my colleagues, aspirants, all protocol observed. Indeed, it's a great day today. I believe the party has been fair and transparent.
Yes!
That is the only thing I've always been preaching. And I must admit, this election is fair. And my grassroots have spoken. And therefore, I accept the results in good faith.
DJ Sky.
I pledge my support that we're going to work tirelessly to break the eight. So, party members that we are here, we should put everything behind us and let's unite this party. With unity, I believe we can break the eight. And that is all I've been preaching for. So I congratulate the elections committee, the police department, electoral commission, and the party members for the commitment you've shown for peace. And I want to assure you, in 2024, the showdown is being translated. We have to come together and give NDC a showdown. Showdown!
Yo, therefore, now a Kennedy Agyapong in some wadi at 2 no na a video made it 2 hormono with me actually watching a fahu a year. Share the course so the Owusu Owusu and some a year Kennedy Agyapong any a year Bawumia. Share the course na the Wadwe no also with me actually watching a fa a year the course no ewo comment box anymore. Na sana mekono answer na mekono kan say juicy so na wo hwe no say wunya subscribe ya na say o be subscribe na wa like na wa share video no wo so betimi a kire wadwen afa and say we nyina ho ewo comment box dimu mo beti minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.